Heritage tourism refers to traveling to experience the history, culture, tradition, and heritage of a destination. It involves visiting sites, landmarks, and activities that highlight the historical and cultural significance of the place, often with the aim of preserving and understanding its legacy. The key elements of heritage tourism is historical site, castle, monuments, battlefields, and archaeological ruins. Next is cultural experience, traditional dances, festival, art, and music that showcase the local way of life. Next is museums and galleries, places displaying artifacts, artworks, and exhibits of historical and cultural importance. Next is local tradition and customs. Experience unique customs, cuisine, or lifestyle that connect to a destination past. Next is World Heritage Site. Location recognized by UNESCO for their cultural or natural significant purpose of heritage tourism. Education to learn about the history and culture of a destination. Preservation to support conservation of historical and cultural sites. Economic development to boost local economies by attracting tourists. Connection to identity to allow people to connect with their ancestry or historical narrative of a place. Heritage tourism is particularly valuable because it emphasizes sustainable tourism, ensuring that cultural and historical assets are preserved for future generations.